What's up, guys? Malik here. Welcome back to my channel. And today is July 14, 2023. I'll be showing you my one, two, three, four, five, six trades on the Nasdaq 100 today. A bit much over the amount that I usually want to trade. However, I kept the risk relatively small from trade to trade. You can see I kept it within the 10 to 15 range. Kept all of my trades, my losers very small, kept my risk very small. And then I had one winning trade that was wicked out when I moved my stop to take profit. But I'll be showing you all of these trades. Come with me. Right? So the first trade was on the 815 candle. Let's take a look. So 815, let's find the 815. What was going on here? So on the 815, I took it to the sell side. You can see by my lines there, that's where I had that. I was basically drawing out some levels that price seems to have been reacting from. So I was looking for a bounce from this level and take it to the downside, right? Because this seemed to have formed a zone. I'm gonna actually draw this out and we start to use this a bit more, because as you can see, price reacted at the zone before pushing through the zone and then came right back down to the zone, reacting at the zone here, reacting at the zone here, kind of giving it proof that it is really a zone where market makers or market players are interacting with the equity at that time, right? So the first trade here was at 815. The second trade, the actually got stopped out on the 930 candle. I believe that was this one. The 930 candle was a huge bullish move, right? So I entered this one at 15. No, actually got closed out on the 930 at 15,610.8 for a total loss of 1530. At this point, I could have taken it to the upside, but I wasn't certain on the trade and it had already ran, right? So the next trade I entered to the sell side again on the 930 candle, and that was at 15,643.7, 643.7. And then I got stopped out on the same candle because you can see that wick up. It's a nasty wick. Anytime the market moves like that, it's just gonna clear out everybody who is going the opposite direction. And that was a total loss of 1130. So you can see here, I kept the risk small. So if it went against me, I wanted to know rather quickly, right? At this time, I entered to the buy side, and that was on the 945 candle. So let's see. Entered this one at 15,668, 668.5, and then I got stopped out on the 10 o'clock candle. So just that wick down is what actually hit me out in the market. That was at 15,658 flat, right? 15,658 flat for a total loss of 1050, right? The next trade now, you can see I tried to keep my risk relatively small. So the next trade now, I entered the sell side on the 10 o'clock candle. Let's find that. I entered the sell side on the 10 o'clock candle. I was at 15,668.7. This was to the sell side now. And then I actually got stopped out on the 10 o'clock candle. Same 10 o'clock candle at 5680.3 for a total loss of 1160. So I entered the sell side here, got stopped out as a market. I guess when it hit me out of this trade, I decided to flip and went here, but it didn't go right. The market just rallied up for making a reversal. So here I entered to the sell side, and that was at 10. So I entered to the sell side on the 10 o'clock candle again, but then you can see I was just a bit too early. So the direction was right, but entering too early, I basically did not allow enough space for the trade. So as it came up a little bit more on that same candle, that's where I got hit out at 15707.1. Right, so closer to the top of the candle. But the next candle would have hit me out again if I didn't. Next candle would have hit me out if I didn't get hit out here, right? I'll show you. I entered on this candle at the 1015, which was the perfect top. Perfect top to hit a sell there. Plus keeping my risk relatively small. So I still had that 10 to 15 risk. I entered closer to the top of the candle. And then I got stopped out as the market pulled back because I had moved my stop loss into profits. But if I had not done that, I would have been able to get a nice 200 pip move. But that's okay. This one I got stopped out on the 1115, and that was at 15686.6. You can see the market first looked like it was coming right back up to this level before reversing. And this would have basically eaten all of my profits before pushing back down to some nice greater profit. You can see that price broke through the level, came back, retested the level, and kind of set down. That's basically it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. You can see how I'm taking the trades, and I'm just thinking manage the risk a bit better. And I'm able to catch the tops in the market at times and just trade it from there. But I see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye. Later.